My name is Chiman Bai Patel. I represent Bhagvan Pactech. We are manufacturer of industrial packaging located in Hyderabad. My purpose of visiting this exhibition is to know the latest trends, new developments in the technologies which may be useful for my industry, through which I can improve my industrial manufacturing processes. Yeah, there are many new developments and many new products which I could see here. Maybe I can use them in my industry and improve safety measures, industry manufacturing processes and all that, wherein I can improve my product quality using the new technologies which I can see here in the exhibitions. Exhibitors are very much responsive. I could get a lot of information from the exhibitors. It's very much helpful. Hope you conduct this kind of exhibition regularly so that it will be beneficial for us as a manufacturers.